Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin weekly chart price action has closed multiple weeks under the 200 simple moving average. Not amazing. Now, this lower trend line has been respected numerous occasions. Okay, even had a wick down here. Do you get bounce here or another move down to touch the lower trend line? On this large, potentially you take this midline out of here, this could be a large falling wedge. That's what we're building, okay? Every day we're collecting data and it gives us better ideas on how to trade this market. This is a Bitcoin 2-hour chart. So Bitcoin's been working in this range, but it's a tightening range, potentially a bearish pennant. We're not trying to predict this. Breakout to the upside, I'm looking for a move up here, 22,000. It's gonna have a tough time at 21,000. If you get a break to the downside, you're going to test the lows at 18,100, 17,590, even 16,337 is possible. So we are going to look at the stock market in just a second because that's been calling all these moves. Bitcoin's been following S&P 500, E-mini futures. It's just insane. You'll see this pullback right here. I'll show you where it all started. Bitcoin's following the leader, the stock market. This is the Bitcoin 1-hour chart. So we nailed this entire breakout, this entire move, right? As far as timing this. Now this support level has been lost. And potentially you have a bearish retest of this level. And however, if the bulls can regain this level, this could potentially become a bear trap. But again, this hasn't been amazing price action over the course of the last 8 hours for Bitcoin. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person says, I want to give you a huge thank you. I just made $4,200 in 24 hours doing longs. $2,200 trade, $1,100 trade, lose $1,000 and then made $500. We made $4,200 trading this market based on what he learned in the trading group. We're killing it. This person, I made $5,000 profit in about a week. Banging, solid gains. This person, shout out to Styles, turned $20,000 into $97,000 in a month. If you sign up this week, I'm still giving a huge discount, 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. And every single day, we find the bangers. 15%, 37%, 46%, 67%. When you're tired of losing in this market, I can help you. Banger Central. Listen, you create your own reality. Just remember, your world is determined by the barriers that you've chosen to accept. I want you to push yourself right now, learn how to trade this market so you can work less and live more. Just start charting. Group or no group, just start charting these coins. It's like a map. Once you start drawing these maps, these charts, this market gets so much easier to trade. Over time, you'll change your life forever. This changed my life forever. Generational wealth. My kids' won't work. You've got to want this. I believe in you. You've got to start charting these coins, period. This is the stock market. This is why Bitcoin pulled back. So we talked about the rejection at this resistance being bearish, whereas if the bulls would have flipped this level, you'd have Bitcoin upside right now. Instead, you got rejected. Now, this support level gets lost. Potentially, you come down here. You want at least a higher low than this previous low to be put in. If you come down here and put in a lower low, now this is a rising, broadening wedge. If you can get a bounce here, Bitcoin upside, Bitcoin recovers. So again, it's all about to happen based on, do the bulls show up and hold this support or not? Again, you come down here to this lower trend line, that's going to be a buy signal because especially on a bear trap like we called here, double bottom bear trap. We nailed this entire move. We did it here too, double bottom, huge banger. Look at this bear trap right here. Got to counter trade these charts. All you're doing is looking for the signals out of Bitcoin. It is not hard. Once you see how to do this, it will change your life forever. Continue updating you guys as much as possible on this market, these techniques. We'll get you up to speed, don't worry. If If you've taken some losses, listen, we'll make it back. DXY, this is the dollar index. This thing is mooning. So you had this cup and handle. Let me turn it. So this orange line is Bitcoin. So you have this cup and handle and it's breaking out. So you've got this rising wedge, rising channel. Okay, so upper trend line's all the way up here. So a strong dollar is bad for stocks. It's bad for Bitcoin. You see this orange line right here? That's Bitcoin. And you can see since this thing has been climbing higher, Bitcoin's been dumping. Okay, so inversely correlated. You do not want to see the DXY continue higher. The Fed purposely selling off their balance sheet, dropping the prices in the stock market, raising interest rates to strengthen the dollar. Well, guess what? It's working. This is what they're doing. Strengthening. We turn Bitcoin off. Zoomed out a little bit. This is the dollar. This thing is freaking going parabolic gains. This is what the Fed has been doing on purpose. And this has been why the stock market, Bitcoin have just been getting wrecked. You've got to understand these ideas. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, please like and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. Banging. Thanks so much for watching.